Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, everybody, a lot of storms still pushing their way across the state this morning. 293 flashes of lightning within this zone, and that is a large part of that is confined. Nicholasville down to Harrodsburg, looking at showers and thunderstorms, and also as we get our way even over into southern part of really central and southern part of Woodford County. Thankfully, most of Lexington is drying out now, and I say thankfully because a good part of town picked up anywhere between 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain. Now, the far northeastern part of the county didn't get quite as much, but still over an inch. We head down to the southeast. Thunderstorms continue, and it is just torrential rain from Berea over to McKee here in Jackson County, over also into parts of Owsley and County, looking at some of that rain. So is, again, Lee and Owsley. We go to the south, looking at more rain right here along the Lake Cumberland region, and then heading south of the Cumberland Parkway and Hal Rogers Parkway right near Corbin. Torrential rain, frequent flashes of lightning. Far eastern Kentucky, we're looking here at a few showers between Pikeville and Whitesburg. Another batch as we work our way up toward Paintsville this morning, but a large area in between Hindman, Jackson, Frenchburg, Moorhead, Mount Sterling, and Sharpsburg, Flemingsburg, all dry. But again, a good real estate of our area still dealing with these showers and storms. Look how much rain has fallen. Now, we're showing you different rain gauges here. This is the Kentucky Mesonet network. So in Winchester, 9/10 of an inch. This site here is 7 miles south of Lexington, 2 inches there. The Bluegrass Airport, 2.5. 2.4 in Frankfort, 2 inches at this site in Richmond. 9/10 in Boonville, 1.3 in McKee. These are past 24 hours, but most of this has really just been today, since midnight. That's a lot of rain in a short period of time. That's why I was saying we really need a little bit of that break in that rain for a change. Overcast sky up here in Paris right now. The rain is shut off. You also saw some rain, but you did not get nearly as much as it was just to the south in Lexington. We're into the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. So despite all that rain, temperatures not dropped a ton, and that's just because of how high the humidity is. Upper level winds still moving in out of the northwest. Well, look what's northwest. Storms up here in Iowa and northern Missouri. So we'll see if that cluster of storms works in our area late today. Still, that next big thing is just the unsettled pattern. Big dome of high pressure aloft to our south. That's why Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, even into Tennessee and far western Kentucky are really hot, like high temperatures, 100 degrees plus. So the heat's really close, but we're on the northern fringe of that where we get these little disturbances that allow storms to just repeat over and over. That high slips further south Saturday, even more on Sunday. What does that mean? That means a better chance for some thunderstorms coming into play. And yep, the threat for strong to severe storms on the table the next several days, also with the threat for some localized flooding and humid. Now, here's the deal. The next couple of days here, for today and tomorrow, if we get a drier period of time and the peaks of sun, somebody could get into the lower 90s. But as it stands now, I think we have enough clouds that many of us are still in the 80s. Sunday, likely going to be the cloudiest day and likely probably going to have the day that features even more rain. We go into Monday, and I think our rain chances are wrapping up, and then spotty showers are more isolated Tuesday, and then another system may come back in middle of next week. Stick around. We return all here in just a couple minutes.